Creating text in Canva is very easy, so I will show you how to do it. Just go on the Canva dashboard and click on the design that we created in the previous lesson. When the editor has loaded, just go to the menu and click on Text. Now here you've got the option to click on one of these already pre-formatted text fields, or if you prefer to choose your own layout, you can click on Add a Heading up here. I'm just going to choose this template. When I click on it, it instantly shows up here. You can resize a text field in the same way as you can resize elements, and you can also use the alignment lines here to correctly position the text field. Alright, so how can you change text? It's very easy. Simply double click on it and you can write whatever you want. And the same goes for this little text field down here. Alright, so how can we change the font and other text settings? You can find all the settings regarding to text up here. So in order to change the font, simply click on here and you will see a bunch of different fonts to select from. Now I know this can be a little bit overwhelming, because you might not be sure about which font to choose. But this will definitely be easier after watching the typography section. In the meantime, I recommend that you choose more basic fonts, so don't worry too much about it now. If you want to change additional settings, just click on the text and you're now able to adjust character spacing and even the line height. You also have different text formatting options. For example, you can center your text in the middle. And of course, you can also change the color of your text in the same way as you can change the color of elements. Alright, that was it. Now you've got all the necessary skills to edit templates. In the next lecture, I'm quickly going to show you how to download your designs. And then we will hop on to the template section, so stay tuned for that.